Samsung recently announced that the Galaxy S23 had broken sales records in many areas. Samsung has delivered almost twice as many pre-orders as the Galaxy S23 series, beginning with India, one of the world's largest smartphone markets. In Samsung's home country of South Korea, sales have increased by roughly 8%, while in the Eurozone, pre-orders for the S23 have almost doubled compared to the same period last year. In South America, pre-orders for the S23 range are over 50% higher than for the previous generation. Looking at these statistics, we can fairly assume that Samsung's hard work is paying off. Samsung has yet to publish sales figures in the US, which is the country where the S23 series is retaining the same pricing as last year's model in order to battle the iPhones. Given how it's been done in the rest of the globe, I predict excellent things for this market as well. Furthermore, the new Samsung is finally accomplishing what no business has done before, and that is making Android gaming great again. Samsung revealed at MWC that they are actively involved in collaborating with game developers to bring ray tracing games to market, and if you didn't know, ray tracing was one of the most significant additions to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. However, as good as the hardware is, there aren't enough games out there to fully utilize the new processor. As a result, Samsung is going out of their way to engage with game development companies in order to deliver ray tracing games to Android smartphones powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and above. Another significant enhancement will be made to the new Samsung-Apple alliance. Samsung currently manufactures iPhone screens, and they will soon begin producing iPad displays as well. Apple is presently pressuring Samsung to develop a unique two-stack OLED display for the next iPad. This might be the brightest and clearest OLED display on any tablet available, even surpassing Samsung's own tablet series, like they did with the iPhone now on iPad. The majority of orders will be fulfilled by Samsung, although some will be completed by LG. In other news, Exynos is returning. Don't worry, it's not coming to the Galaxy S23, but it is coming to Samsung's most popular smartphone successor, the Galaxy A54, which will be introduced shortly. The processor inside this phone will be the Exynos 1380 chip, which has seen some significant advancements, most notably to the camera ISP, which now supports up to 200 megapixel sensors and can have 64 megapixel sensors with minimal shutter latency. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.